The Zorawar light tank has successfully achieved accurate firing results consistently in high-altitude trials at Neoma, while also demonstrating its airlifting capability for rapid deployment. Azad Engineering will set up its superalloy manufacturing plant near Hyderabad with an investment of 800 crore rupees. Indian Navy will commission the second Sundayak-class hydrographic survey vessel on 18 December. As part of 31MQ-9B deal, Aeronautical Development Agency will soon collaborate closely with General Atomics for the design stage of a new HALE UAV. L&T Shipyard held the steel cutting ceremony of the second fleet support ship for the Indian Navy. India has handed over a set of target practice drones to Nepal Army during a high-level military engagement in New Delhi. Bengaluru-based SpaceFields Private Limited has been selected by the Indian Navy to develop low-cost indigenous pyrotechnic systems for naval applications. SAAB Group has unveiled the full-scale replica of its Gripen-E fighter jet at the pre-Aero show event in Bengaluru. Tata Advanced Systems has delivered the first batch of 40 next-generation tactical access switch to the Indian Army. The Air Forces of India, United Arab Emirates and France have started Desert Night trilateral air exercise over the Arabian Sea. The Aeronautical Development Agency is planning to develop a CATOBAR variant of the TEDBF aircraft, and this effort aligns with the Indian Navy's potential transition to CATOBAR configuration for future aircraft carriers. The TEDBF is being designed to serve as the primary fighter for SAAB carriers, but a CATOBAR variant will ensure operational continuity as the Navy transitions to more advanced carrier configurations. A series of meetings between HALE and New Space Research and Technologies and Air Force have confirmed that a majority of the technology required for the CATS Warrior project has been developed, and the first prototype will be rolled out next year. With the Tejas aircraft acting as the mothership, the Air Force is keen to procure 250 units of CATS Warrior. 2 versions of the Loyal Wingman will be developed, and the Warrior 1 will be optimized for air patrol and defense missions, while the larger Warrior 2 will be tailored for strike operations with enhanced payload capacity. The Cabinet Committee on Security has cleared 2 major projects worth around 20,000 crore rupees for 12 Su-30 fighter jets for the Indian Air Force with 62.6% local content, and 100 K9 Vajra self-propelled howitzers with increased indigenous content for the Indian Army. The DRDO is poised to take the next step in the development of the futuristic ready combat vehicle, but it still awaits the issuance of preliminary staff qualitative requirements from the Indian Army. The PSQRs will outline the operational and technical requirements of the FRCV, which is a crucial step in defining the project's scope and ensuring alignment with the Army's strategic objectives. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.